Yes, so Arsenal 3, Tottenham Hotspur 1, and Arsenal don't let everybody know for the North London derby. Say the North part of London can only be one color, which is red, and we get one very evangelistic Gunner fan for inside the building. Oga Carl, make you can tell us about how you see the game. Oga Carl, now how you see Arsenal performance for this North London derby. The way your face they smile, so it be like say your belly just they sweet you. I beg tell country people how you see Arsenal performance today.
Yeah, today shocked me on a brilliant performance I see today from Arsenal. Now, what team we say we never see for a very long time. Even said before the game, we never expect them. You understand?
Okay.
Because the team Arsenal just show say the Ghana football see the body, so they all display everything today. Because all the players they on their perfect form today, from the goalkeeper to Aubameyang, the captain, everybody just on form today, and they make sure say they really take the time say truly not London are red, so they prove them today again one more time. Happy for us now, happy for the result, good result. Although say at the end of the day we can't still concede one goal, which is very unfortunate for Aaron Ramsdale, because I believe say even say the guy with the way they react when they concede the goal, say like the team pain and well because they expect to keep another clean sheet again. But nevertheless, Tottenham are still very good side, and today we teach them football, so we believe saying a good thing for Arsenal and a good thing for the season for them.
All right, now talking about say Arsenal teach Tottenham how football be normally for inside this game. That performance from Arsenal, I follow up Arsenal games. I never see that kind of performance for Arsenal in a very long time, and the performance just did so good. First half, they scored 3 goals, and the football, that fast passing football where everybody think no Arsenal, quick transition from defense to attack. They pass the ball very fast. You understand? Score those goals. Well, I want to make you tell us about that football when you see from this Arsenal team for inside that first half against Tottenham.
Yeah, first of all, from the beginning of the game, from the first minute, Arsenal just did very hungry for goals. They just be like, say, because I know say Arsenal players, they know the importance of the North London derby. Even if say they sign you today, they go make sure you understand the importance to always beat Tottenham. Now one of our criteria for the season, even if they will not win league, as fast as we beat Spurs home and away, any Arsenal fans they okay with that. So from the first minute, the attacking display, now just from the first minute, now attack, go reach the end of the game before we contact the defense for the final minutes of the game, because they try to to get 1 or 2 goals. But Arsenal they really try, especially Aubameyang try, because they try to lead the attack, try to push everybody. We try, because the 3 goals for first half now through counter attack, which they get problem with Arsenal in the beginning of the season, so because their final third not to be very sharp, and they miss many chances well. So today they just pack all the chances, put them on Tottenham body, and I'm really happy because for the first time of the season, and they see Arsenal players, everybody they on form. There was nobody get injuries. Even Granit Xhaka come from suspension. So everybody, the full team complete for the first time, and we can see some kind of beautiful display. So if we can keep this team for the end of the season, I believe we go get some important points for the season. So I believe Arsenal well today.
Okay, now Carl, I want to ask you about one thing. This new Arsenal defense. This is now the 3rd time when this same set of people they play together for inside that defense line, and the first 2 games they keep clean sheets. This 3rd game they can't concede 1 goal. But it gets waiting I see for inside this game. The defense it can't be like waiting they more organized than the way Arsenal start the season, where they lose that game against Brentford, lose the game against Chelsea, lose to Man City too. It can't be like say this defense they well organized. They know they bully them easily. They get that fight, that physicality they for inside the defense. And these defenders they comfortable on the ball for their leg. Now, what do you see with this new look defense, will include Aaron Ramsdale too for inside the goalpost?
Personally, for me now, Ramsdale might be number 1 key for the defense. You understand? Because Ramsdale waiting the type of football that I want play for the past few years now playing from the back, and Ramsdale now the perfect goalkeeper where they start to play from the back. You see today, you see some kind lapses. Last season, you understand the way we take concede plenty goals with error from the back, and today this season we never say anything like that. Even today, we get some kind of passes. We say the guy make way not too clear, and at the end of the day, we constantly try to find our way out from the defense. So now
that goal, the second Arsenal
yes,
goal.
Yes, the Arsenal second goal. Yes, exactly. So yes, now Ramsey be the key for the defense because Ramsey he did very very confident even when he did with the ball and when he tried catch the ball, he did very confident in himself because the guy they communicate with the defenders and the guy he did very agile too. Now waiting I be not see for Brad Lennon because Lennon be there too sleepy. For my liking before we even sell Martinez, I even feel say Martinez even get waiting Lennon not get, which is communicating with the defenders and try to coordinate the defense, try to instruct the defense on how to position. So I believe that Ramsey be the key for the defense, make the defenders continue very, very comfortable. And another thing is that we constantly get two good ball playing defenders in Gabriel and Ben White. Ben White did very, very good with his feet. You see the way they play some kind of passes from the defense. They try to start the attack. So I believe, the defense did very, 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 very. They did very, very coordinated. And I just pray maybe say none of them get any injury because I believe say if injury if it come, if it shake them for a while. And another person always consider to the defender Tomiyasu. Tomiyasu did very, very agile for marking. Although say not too sabi attack like that, but that marking that is a right backside. Yeah, cover and well. They know they fit beat them. The guy they follow everywhere. They follow ground. They sweep everywhere. They sweep everything come up for ground. So the defense now very very good defense. I believe I would think they make Arsenal they get points this season.
Okay, now that Carl, I want to ask you about because we don't see when the result being bad for Arsenal coach come out, even Arsenal sporting director Gaspar Edu come out say that they won't try to build their Arsenal team around players where they're young. When be like saying the next 3, 4 years, 5 years, those players will do for their peak. They play very obonge football for them. I want to ask you about 2 Arsenal players who stand out for this match: Bukayo Saka and Emile Smith Rowe. When be like say they be Arsenal ALN boys, they come from Arsenal Academy. Now, how you see these 2 Arsenal young players' performance for this game, and how vital you think say they will be for Arsenal for the rest of the season and going into the future?
Those 2 boys na bargain for Arsenal because we know who use money side them from academy they for come. I believe say if they not be Arsenal players, for not get chance to get those kind of players to sign them from anywhere. And you see their performance today that they speak for themselves again. Bukayo na regular now for a national team self because even for friendly man, the guys see they banging goals, 1 or 2 goals, they make some kind of assists. Now very good player, now very outstanding player, no doubt. The guy get very quick and sharp mentality. They quick decide on his ball before the defender even think of what they want to do. Another player I say Ramsey before the season I be the doubt say okay maybe because Smith Rowe. I mean, that say the number 10 jersey for maybe go for too big for him to wear, but still we don't see say the guy they fit in jersey, the guy they fit do things. He play never drop from last season. Although Arsenal not start the season well, but still since he don't try to pick up along with the team, and today can't see get goal against a Tottenham side for a derby game. So those 2 players na very big bargain for Arsenal. If they're not in the Arsenal team, I don't know if we replace them right now with the way things they go for Arsenal. And again, for the future, one thing that they fear and say whether we go fit keep Bukayo Saka, especially if we not give them trophies. Now we think that they fear for because Bukayo now player will be say no team no go like make their team. We don't even the years for Karen, but now say team like Real Madrid and Juventus they want to for a body. So we not really know how long they will fit to keep him. I hope say if he see the lawyer based on a heel handball, if he sign long-term contract, he try make they push us down. I believe say with the plan where Edu Gaspar and Arteta say they get. Now they constantly say if it really work, if na long-term plan they really get, if it still work because actually our young players that we get, nobody really did very bad. We get good, perfect young player for the same for all the position. The only place where I see maybe we finish player, maybe not for the attack. We need to see get some kinds of vibrant attackers where they very young too. But if you check our midfield, even where the party did the replacement for the Thomas Partey did them Sambi Lukonga, we did very sharp on the ball too. For the defense, we get less than 23 years old defenders everywhere. Goalkeeper 23 years old goalkeeper. So I believe say now good thing for the future, now good thing. Those are long-term plan, but if we feel patient as Arsenal fans, support the team, I believe say we could see the result in the coming years. One thing we need to not to first try to take qualify enter Europe first. Maybe just say Europe. Now Champions League football we really need. Then go really make the players to decide okay they really want to feel fight for what they feel fight for. So I believe say it go happen for us now. It go happen over the years. The coming years things go happen. Trophies go come. Everything go fall in place.
All right, now no be like Oga Carl. Make we just enter inside the player rating real quick. Make we start with Aaron Ramsdale. We be like say that be the goalkeeper on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, what you go rate Aaron Ramsdale?
Ramsdale, the guy really try well. I know even the goal when he concede really pay me well because for like make him keep another clean sheet again. So I think give Ramsdale 8.0 because the guy really try defend well. The guy defend well. He try make he try coordinate the defense. So I give him 8.0. The guy try well.
All right, now what about Takehiro Tomiyasu? Now what do you go rate?
Tomiyasu, a brilliant defender. The guy try with for the other side. The guy really Son where he try make let him not to play too much football. So I give him 8.0 too. The guy try.
8.0. All right, now what about Ben White?
Ben White try for the coordinating just like a partner Gabriel. I give him 8.2. He try well.
Okay, what about Gabriel?
Gabriel, the same time, I give him 8.3 because I believe that Gabriel really leads the defense well for all of them. We did. I believe that I really coordinate all of them because I'm their leader for the 8.3. Now I go give him.
Then what about Kieran Tierney?
Tierney, brilliant defender. They attack everything. The guy, normal. All of us know Tierney, body in body. You know the way we fed down was Scottish League before. The thing guys they deliver for us now for us. So I give him 8.2. He tried.
Thomas Partey uncle.
Partey try well. Unfortunately, the guy he never see get his first goal for last night, but the guy try. And one thing when I see about Partey this season, he shot on the day on target compared to last season. Maybe saying Sky the guy they play. So I hope say the guy go get
the
yes, he don't get better accurate shot. I hope they go get the Arsenal first goal. So I'll give him 8.5. He didn't really try well. He try and mark the spot players out, and the guy really win balls for the midfield well.
All right, now what about Granit Xhaka?
Xhaka, saying just they come from suspension. Although say he can't make some kind of errors, can't foul unnecessarily. Now no matter what Sabi do be that. So I'll give Xhaka 8.0. Instant try for the game.
Oh, I know it's Martin. Your ratings they're very high today. Look, we go Martin Odegaard.
Odegaard play ball. The guy play ball. He try hold on to the ball because now what thing we they find since this play. And I understand why we not really push for those Bondia and Horad for the attack because they don't see Odegaard before since last season. They understand I'm saying the guy really start be hold the ball, start be drive with the ball. Odegaard play brilliant football today. I'll give him 8.5. The guy tried.
What about Emil Smith-Rowe?
Smith-Rowe tried with the goal when he scored everything. Although say the guy can't still come up for second one, but the guy said display not too much we see, but the goals and the drives when he still give us 8.5 now go still give him. Just like Bukayo try. I'll give Bukayo 8.7. I'm a man of the match for me today. The guy play brilliant football. Yes.
All right, Bukayo Saka. One goal, one assist.
One assist, yes.
Then what about
Aubameyang still try. He try well. For like making score plenty goals, but still as long as they feel they deliver for derby matches, for big matches like this, the guy try well. My captain, the guy live up to expectation today. I give him 8.3.
8.3.
Yeah.
All right now. And what about the substitute? Sambi Lakunga, Nuno Tavares, and Ainsley Maitland-Niles.
The one thing about for the three substitutes we entered today. Now Nuno I said they tried to work because the guy did very, very agile on the ball. The guys did very, very quick too. So now see young player where I believe say go see they go live for Arsenal for a very long time, go there for the team because they try make you even win the shirt because anytime when they come, they want to show you say okay, I sabi player and make you give me chance, those kind of things. So I will give all of them 7.5. All of them they maintain the possession, they not to lose ball. So everything, all the players together, they play perfect football today.
All right, now, God, Carl, you too much. Thank you as you can't give us your time. Know this get point the way you are concerning this Arsenal performance for this game. And we hope say Arsenal will build on this performance. And congratulations to you and your Arsenal fan. Not too much.
So congratulations to all Arsenal fan all over the world. Today not better day for us.
All right, now, bye-bye.